Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by the best dressed.
Hey, Steve, was it?
Brache, you never disappoint.
Steve, man. Namhlanje bengihleli nabo ubhuti abadala.
Yeah.
So ngale mele ugqoke kahle ngithi.
Presidential
ungabahlambalazi. Yeah, uhlala nama-Grootman ngale abantu abalingana nawo.
Le kepa ingeni da.
Hayi ngeni.
Ikarapa.
Neteki ingeni.
Yeah.
But indoda buyele emuva.
Yeah,
bazokhipha ngada.
Sure,
so Stibo, first and foremost, let's congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure.
Ukuthi at least they finding themselves ku CAF final.
Yes.
Akukho easy, you know.
Yes.
And abanye abantu bayibheka from, you know, the lenses of supporting a certain team.
Yes,
but it's incorrect. I-move yenziwe Sundowns is quite important in a sense that uma ngabe sesidlala lama AFCON, uma ubona sikompete sithola ama bronze sithola ini, it's simply because, you know, these players, the Sundowns, are exposed to that particular level. The stage fright asekho, because they playing with these players, you know, year in and year out. And we also have to congratulate them ukuthi they made a system ebasebenzelayo. I can tell you now, you see, if they can get a second star, Sundowns team year dominance. You see, once Bangai clinch Alia Cup, it's going to be very difficult for any African team to dethrone them. So I'm saying to management, they got it right, because now Lagu PSL, they are equally dominating. So I congratulate them, and I so wish good they can clinch that cup as well. Reiners, not Dion, should be very careful. Because le golden boot I told him fan. Today he scored a goal. The goalie can number 10. Reiners is sitting on 11. Dion is sitting on 12. So if Umufukeng bega convert a penalty today, Beskulumuguti is now on par with Reiners. But all is not lost. We still have a game Melandela. In fact, we've got games. And I think if Kanga, you know, utilize ama opportunities akawatholayo, umfana angakwazi ukuthi ayiclaim le golden boot. But over and above that, whether we take the league or we don't take the league, I'm saying Mofokeng should be released now. Next season it will be highly unfair, you know, to see him still playing a PSL. I think it's about time ukuthi management yethu ngamrelease.
Who wants him?
I'm saying if there are offers, allow the boy to go. But if our offers are work, it's fine. We'll understand. But if they are there and are reasonable, sometimes you don't just take an offer. The offer should be reasonable, considering the quality of the boy. And then, of course, he can be released. Namhlanje we saw Umbutuma scoring. Perseverance. You know, fans were becoming impatient with him. But as in izinto control uNkulunkulu, today he scored a goal, and who knows? Mhlambe it's a beginning for him. Mhlambe into zakhe zizoba right. I was quite excited to see him as dlalela today as scorela a goal. Issue league is still within, it's reachable. Ngiyabona abantu bayaphenika ukuthi no Sundowns nama games in hand. But like they always say, you know, sometimes games in hands are not points. I know it's a tough opponent, Sundowns, but isayodlala nabo Richards Bay. I was quite disappointed mangizwa uPapi Zotwani, I think a day before yesterday, saying no. Pirates shouldn't think Uguti were going to do the work for them. And I said, how? But Papi, you draw one game with Pirates, you're speaking as if now you have taken the league. And it poses nenye into ukuthi we should be doubtful towards him ngoba uma ngabe kakhuluma njalo asazi ukuthi mhlambe iSundowns uzoyidonoithela lama points, you know. But be that as it may, I can still tell you ukuthi we are going to compete next week. We're playing against Kaizer Chiefs. i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-form manje.
Yes, true.
We shouldn't take that game very light.
Yes.
That game is going to be very difficult because the Chiefs, it's now finding itself. Interpreter, they are now coaching.
Yeah.
So kushukuthi yeah, they are doing their work now. So kushukuthi kuzoba nzima kule game. But we need 3 points, unfortunately.
Yes.
Bona into esifuna ukuthi bayenze.
Yeah.
I know ukuthi they don't even have confidence unto themselves,
Yes.
but I'm saying to them, go and beat Sundowns.
Yeah.
Ngoba now you need points.
Yeah.
Angithi bathi bazosusa ku number 2.
Yes.
Now in order for them to remove us, they must beat Sundowns. So if they can't beat Sundowns, unfortunately, they will remain on number 3.
Yeah.
And Nakona, they must be careful. Yamazulu might even catch up with them.
Yes.
So all in all, Stibo, I'll say congratulations to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Because we're finding ourselves go number 1 again.
Sure, Prashid.
And then Sundowns maibuye Africa.
Yeah.
Kusengaba nzimanyana. They still have to play iPolokwane City home and away.
Yeah.
And I know ukuthi iPolokwane izobathathela ku Old Pilam Cup. It's a small stadium as well.
Yeah.
They still have Richards Bay. They still have Stellies. So things are not easy for them as well.
Yeah.
Loyalties Galaxy is contributing points left, right and center. Yeah, so yeah. So Stibo masivala mina ngithi kumajida namhlanje ngiyabonga eBhakaniya. Ngibonge ne support game in and game out le stadium sigcwele. So nakuma Bhakaniya la ekhona ngithi support abafana until the last game.
Thank you, Prashid.
Thanks.
Top
Thanks,
stuff.